Hello students, today we are going to solve examples or numerical calculations with the help of log table. So first one is using logarithm tables, find the values of each of the following. In that first sub question is 73.56 raised to 3 multiplied by 0.0371 bracket square divided by 68.21. So by using log we have to solve this. Okay, so first we have to suppose that this is equal to x, so x is equal to 73.56 raised to 3 multiplied by 0.0371 square divided by 68.21. Now we have to take log on both sides. So log x is equal to log of this number. So it is 73.56 bracket cube multiplied by 0.0371 bracket square divided by 68.21. Okay. Now log of multiplication of these two numbers. So log of, first it is division. This is numerator, this is denominator. So log of 73.56 bracket cube multiplied by 0.0371 bracket square minus log of 68.21. Okay, first we have to use log of m by n, that is a log of m minus log of n. Okay, then next here log of mn is there, so we have to use log of mn, that is log of m plus log of n. So we can write log of 73.56 square plus log of 0.0371 square minus log of 68.21. Now next, if log of a raised to m is there or m raised to a is there, then we can write this power, it becomes as a coefficient. So it is 2 into log of 73.56 plus, sorry, here it is 3 now. It is 3. So 3 into log of 73.56 plus 2 into log of 0.0371 minus log of 68.21. Now we have to find log of all these numbers. So 3 into, here characteristic is 1. Okay, so 1 point. Now we have to look numbers in 73rd row and column headed by 5, in mean differences column headed by 6. Okay, so in log table, okay, in 73rd row, so in 73rd row column headed by 5, so it is 8663, and in mean differences column headed by 6, so 8663 and 4, so 8667 plus 2 into, characteristic of this number is minus 2. Okay, because in between decimal point and first non-zero digit there is 1 0, so add 1, that is a 2, so and give minus n, so minus 2 or bar on 2 point. Now we have to see number, first 4 non-zero digits are 3710. Okay, so 0 is not there in mean differences column, so we have to look number in 37th row and column headed by 1. So 37th row is here, column headed by 1 is 5694. So that number is 569 minus log of 68.21. So here characteristic is 1, so 1 point. In 68 row, number in column headed by 2, it is 8338, and that number is 1. So 8338 plus 1, 8339. Okay, now we have to do calculation of this. So first multiply this, 3 sevens are 21, 3 6 are 18 plus 2, 20, 3 6 are 18 plus 2, 20, 3 8s are 24 plus 2, 26, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. So 5.6001 plus this 2 into, we can write this is minus 2 plus 0.5694, okay, and minus 1.8339. So it is 5.6001. We have to multiply this inside. So 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Then 2 multiply here. So it is plus 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 6s are 12 plus 1, 2 6s are 12 plus 1, 13, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. So here it is 1. So 1.1388 minus this number 1.8339. Okay. Now we have to add numbers first which are positive. So 5.6001 plus this number. So 1 plus 8 9, 0 plus 8 8, this 0 plus 3 3, 6 plus 1 7, and 5 plus 1 6. So 6.7389 minus 4 minus this, so it is a minus 5.8339. Now we have to subtract this. So 6.7389 minus 5.8339. So 9 minus 9 0, 8 minus 3 5, 3 minus 3 0, 7, 17 minus 8 9. So it is 0. So 0.9050. 0.9050. Okay. So log x is equal to 0.9050. So x is equal to anti-log of 0.9050. Okay. Now we have to find anti-log of this number. Okay. Here characteristic is 0. So we have to find 90s of this. So in 90th column, you have to see number headed by 5. Okay. So anti-log table is here. In 90th column, it is number headed by 5. It is 8035. 8035. And give decimal point after 1 places, because your characteristic is 0. So 0 plus 1, 1, and give decimal point after 1 digit. So answer is 8.035. Okay. So answer of this number is 8.035. Okay. Understand this. Now we will take second example. Second example is cube root of, find the value of this, cube root of 0.0847. Okay. So we have to suppose that this is equal to x. So x is equal to cube root of 0.0847, or we can write x is equal to 0.0847 raised to 1 by 3. Okay. Now take log on both sides. So log of x is equal to log of 0.0847 raised to 1 by 3. Then by using log of logs, this exponent become coefficient of this log, so 1 by 3 into log of 0.0847. So log x is equal to this. Now we have to find the value of log of 0.0847. so log x is equal to 1 by 3 into, here characteristic is -2, because between decimal point and first non-zero digit there is 1 0, so add 1 and give minus sign, so -2 point. Now we have to find my empty sum. So in 84 row, and we have to see number column, in column headed by 7. So in 84th row is here, column headed by 7. It is a number headed by 7. It is a 9279. Okay, so that number is 9279. Okay, in 84th row 9279. Okay, now 1 by 3 into this number we can write -2 plus 0.9279. okay, now this 3 we have to divide both the numbers. So if we divide 2 by 3, then it is this minus sign as it is. 2 by 3 it is a 0.36 are 18, 2 remain, so it is 6666 recurring. So I am taking only first 4 digits, plus if we divide this number, it is 0.33 are 9, here it is 0, 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, now this number is greater, so answer is negative. So we have to subtract this number from this. So if we subtract this, 0.6666 minus 0.3093, so 6 minus 3 3, then 16 minus 9 7, 5 3, so 0.3573 minus 0.357. okay, now number is negative, so first we have to make it positive. So how we make it positive, we have to add 1 to the decimal part, and we have to subtract 1 from the integral part. So integral part is 0, so minus 0, or we can add only 0, minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.3573. okay, so 0 minus 1 is minus 1, plus 1 minus this number. Now 1.000 minus 0.3573. So 10 minus 3 7, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 3 6, and this is 0. So it is 0.6427. So this number we can write bar on 1.6427. So log x is equal to this. X is equal to anti-log of bar 1.6427. So minus 1 is the characteristic. Okay, now we have to find the anti-sum. So in anti-log table, 64th row, column headed by 2, it is a 4385, and in mean differences column headed by 7, so it is a 7. So 4385 plus 7, 4385 plus 7, it is a 4392. okay, and here characteristic is minus 1, so we have to take as a 1, subtract 1 from that number, so 1 minus 1 is 0, so give that much zeros in between decimal point and first non-zero digit. So here 1 minus 1 is 0. So give 0 digit 0 zeros means it is only 0.4392. Okay. So x is equal to 0.4392, or we can write cube root of 0.0847 is 0.4392. Okay. Understand this? Now we will take third example. Third example is square root of 41.32 multiplied by 20.18 divided by 12.69. Okay. So we have to suppose that x is equal to this number. So this number we can write 41.32 multiplied by 20.18 divided by 12.69 raised to 1 by 2. Okay, now take log on both sides. So log of x is equal to 1 by 2 into log of this number. Okay, when we take log of this number, then this power of argument becomes coefficient of log. So half into log of 41.32 multiplied by 20.18 divided by 12.69. Okay, so half into log of 41.32 multiplied by 20.18 minus log of 12.69. Okay, now next step is half into log of mn, that is log of m plus n. So log of 41.32 plus log of 20.18 minus log of 12.69. Okay, so half into log of this number, here characteristic is 1, so 1 point. Now we have to find log in 41st column. So that number is 41st column, number in column 41st row, number in column headed by 3. It is 6160, and in mean differences column it is a 2. So 6160 plus 2, 6162 plus log of this number. So it is a characteristic is 1. So 1 point in 20th row, number in column headed by 1, it is a 3032, and in mean differences column that number is 17. So 3032 plus 70, 3032 plus 70. Okay, so it is a 3049. Okay, 3049. Then minus log of this number, here characteristic is 1, so 1 point in 12th row, so it is here number in column headed by 6 is 1004, and next number is 32. So 1004 plus 32, 1036. Okay, 1036. Okay, now we have to simplify this first. So 1 by 2 into, we have to add this first two numbers. 2 plus 9 11, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry, 0 plus 1 1 plus this 1 2, 6 plus 3 9, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2.9211 minus 1.1036. Okay, so So we have to subtract this 2.9211 minus 1.1036. So 11 minus 6, that is a 5. Here it is 0, 10, 10 minus 3, 7. It is a 1, 8, 1. So it is 1.8175. Now divided by 2. So it is a 0.29 are 18. It is 0. 2 8s are 16. 1 remain. 2 7s are 14. 1 remain. 2 5s are 10. Okay. So x log x is equal to this number, or I'm writing here log x is equal to this. X is equal to anti-log of 0.90875. Okay. So first four non-zero digits we have to take. Okay, or we can here round off this number. So 9087, we can write 9088. Okay, and then we have to find antilog of this number. Okay, so in antilog table and in 19th row, number in column headed by 8, it is 8091, and again in differences column it is 15. So 8091 plus 15. 8091 plus 15. So it is 6, 10, 8106. So 8106, and give decimal point. Here characteristic is 0. So add 1 and give decimal point after 1 digit. Okay, so x is equal to 8.106. So answer of this question is 8.106. Okay, understand this. Now we will take fourth example. Fourth example is square root of 71.24 raised to 5 multiply by root 56 divided by 2.3 raised to 7 multiply by root 21. Okay, so we have to suppose that x is equal to this number. So this is in square root, so we can write 71.24 raised to 5 multiplied by root 56 divided by 2.3 raised to 7 multiplied by root 21 raised to 1 by 2. Okay, then take log on both sides. So log x is equal to this coefficient become, this power become coefficient, so 1 by 2 into log of this number. So it is 71.24 raised to 5 multiplied by root 56 divided by 2.3 raised to 7 multiplied by root 21. Okay, now log x is equal to half into log of, this is m and this is l, so log of m by l. So half into, here we give curly bracket, log of 71.24 raised to 5 multiplied by root 56, okay, minus log of 2.3 raised to 7 multiplied by root 21. Okay, next step, log x is equal to this number, so half into log of m into n. So log of 71.24 raised to 5 plus log of this root 56, we can write 56 raised to 1 by 2 minus in bracket log of 2.3 raised to 7 plus log of root 21. So 21 root 21 we can write 21 raised to 1 by 2. Okay, and curly bracket is there. So half into, now log of this number we can write 5 into log of 71.24 plus 1 by 2 into log of 56 minus 7 into log of 2.3 plus 1 by 2 into log of 21. Okay, then 1 by 2 into 5 into log of this number. So characteristic is 1, so 1 point in 71 row. Okay, 71 row is here. Number in column headed by 2, it is 8525, and in mean differences column headed by 4, so it is a 2. So 8525 plus 2, 8527. So 8527 plus 1 by 2 into log of 56. So your characteristic is 1 point in 56th row, column headed by 0, it is a 7482. So 7482 minus 7 into log of 2.3. So characteristic is here 0 point in 23rd row, and that number is 3617. 3617. Then this minus sign multiply to 1 by 2, so it is minus 1 by 2 into log of 21. So characteristic is again 1 point in 21st row, column headed by 0, it is a 3222. So 3 times 2. Okay, now we have to solve this. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 5 multiplied to this, 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10 plus 3, 13, 5 fives are 25 plus 1, 26, 5 eights are 40 plus 2, 42, 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9. So it is 9.2635 plus this 2 divide here. So 0.28 is 16, 17 minus 16, 1, 14, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, minus 7 multiplied to this, 7 sevens are 49, 9, 4, 7 ones are 7 plus 4, 11, 7 6 are 42 plus 1, 43, 7 3s are 21 plus 4, 25, 2, so it is a 2.5319. Okay, now next minus this divide, so it is 0.26 are 12, 13 minus 12, 1, 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay, so first we have to add these two numbers. So half into, if we add this, 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 plus 4 7, 6 plus 7 11, sorry 6 plus 7 13, 1, 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 2 11, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10.1376 minus, if we add these two numbers, 9 plus 1 10, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, then 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 5 11, 2 plus 1 3. Okay, now we have to subtract this 2. So 10.1376 minus 3.1930. Okay, 6 minus 0 6, 4, 13 minus 9, 4. Here it is 1 minus, okay, 10 minus 1 is 9, then it is 6, so it is 6.9446. So half into 6.9446. So if we divide this, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 8 1 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 3.4723. Now we have to find, okay, I am writing here. So log x is equal to 3.4723. So x is equal to anti-log of 3.4723. Okay, so anti-log of this number, here characteristic is 3. So in anti-log table, in 47th column, sorry, row, and in column headed by 2, mean differences column headed by 3. So 47th row is here, then that number is 2965, and it is 2965 plus 2, 2967. 2967. Characteristic is 3. Add 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So decimal point give after 4 digits. So decimal point is here. Means x is equal to 2967. Okay. Understand this? Now we will take next question. Second example is, or second question is, write down the logarithm of 2 raised to 64 and use it to state the number of digits in the numeral for 2 raised to 64. Okay, so first we have to find the log of this number. So x is equal to 2 raised to 64. So log x is equal to log of 2 raised to 64. Then log x is equal to 64 multiplied by log 2. So 64 multiplied by, here characteristic is 0 point. Now in log 2 is there, means we can take 0. Okay, so we have to see in column 20, sorry, in row 20 and column headed by 0. So that number is 3010. So it is 0.3010. Now we have to multiply this. So 3010 multiplied by 64, it is 0. 64 1s are 64, then it is 6. 64 3s are 64 3s are 3 4s are 12. 1 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. So 192, and after before this 4 digits, so it is 19.2640. Okay, so log of x or log of 2 raised to 64 is 19.2640. That is the answer of first sentence. Okay, now what is second given? State the number of digits in the numeral for 2 raised to 64. So if we have to find value of x, we have to take anti-log of this. Okay, so for anti-log of this number, characteristic is 19. Okay, so when we find anti-log, and we have to give decimal point, so decimal point we have to give after 20 digits. Okay, so in this number 2 raised to 64, there are 20 digits. Okay, so the characteristic is 20, sorry, 19, because they are 19 point. characteristic is 19, and in 2 raised to 64 digits are 20. Okay, so when we find antilog of this number, then it is equal to x is equal to antilog of this number. So characteristic is 19 means we have to give decimal point after 20 digits. So there are 20 digits in 2 raised to 64. Okay, understand this. For more practice, solve example in given worksheet. Okay, and after that we will start new lesson. Okay, that is the application of logarithms. Okay.